Submission is coming home. Every heart is searching. Every soul is tired of carrying the weight that Allah tells us. Indeed, the religion to Allah is Islam and Islam alone. Islam means finally letting go and coming home to Allah, to your fitrah. We break, we fall, we return to our fitrah. Allah clearly says in Quran, and whoever submits his face to Allah while doing good is held firmly to the strongest handhold. Submission is not weakness, it's trust. Allah clearly mentioned about all of us that I did not create jinn and mankind except to worship me. As human beings, we are not perfect. Islam doesn't ask us to be perfect. We make mistakes, we come to repentance, we make mistakes again. So Islam doesn't ask us to be perfect. It asks for your submission, complete unconditional submission to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His will, to seek His mercy. قُلْ إِنَّ صَلَاتِي وَنُسُكِي وَمَحْيَايَ وَمَمَاتِي لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. Say, indeed, my prayer, my sacrifice, my living and my dying is for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Lord of the worlds. Come back to Allah, submit your heart, make a choice today.